Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this new Amazon Fire TV. This is a 55-inch. This is the Omni series QLED. This is the mini LED QLED. It's got 144 hertz gaming mode, ambient, hands-free. So it does come with a remote control and two AAA batteries. We're going to put the batteries in. So here's what the front of the remote looks like. Now here's the actual TV. Now taking this plastic off can be kind of tricky. They want you to take this tape off first. And there's a little plastic piece here that's going to come off with it. It makes you think that it might be part of the TV, but it's not. But there's like this outer tape first. Take this off, and then you can pull back this plastic like this. Okay, so even though that's off, now we got to take this. There's like a bezel. So that's going to make that bezel look really nice. Now take this will go off. See how it kind of looks bad here? But if you take that off, that's going to look fine now. Okay, there's a bunch of plastic off down here. Now if we look underneath here, we got some buttons, and this little piece of tape that was on there is very important. We got a power button, a microphone on or off because this thing is listening to you, and an LED indicator light. So let's take a look. See, that's the microphone on or off. There's the power button. And there's even more plastic. Yeah, there's a lot of plastic on there. Okay, on the right side, we got an optical cable, Ethernet, USB 3.0, 5 volts, 1 amp. Then we come down to cable antenna TV. HDMI 1 is 2.1. EARC, ARC. HDMI 2 is 2.1. HDMI 3 is 2.1. And HDMI 4 is 2.1. IR emitter and headphone jack. Now I've got mine mounted with the Amazon Basics. This is the 55-inch TV, and this is the Amazon Basics wall mount. Over on the other side is the power cord. We're going to plug the power cord in. Power cord plugs in. The power cord is 2-prong. And it's 5 feet long. Up here, the spacing for these top two is 16 inches. And then from here to here is 12 inches for wall mounting. Now it does come with 2 feet that you can install, kind of like this TV over here. Let's measure how far the feet are apart. They're about 42 inches apart. And the size table you're going to need to stand it on is going to be about 12 inches. And it'll make your TV about 4.5 inches taller. All right, let's measure up, down. 28, a little bit more, yeah, 28.25 right here. All right, let's measure left, right. 4 feet. Now the TV was a little bit heavier than kind of some of the LED TVs I've lifted in the past. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.